One of the secrets of your happy life is to make life memorable. Create memories to learn from as you're living for today. Whether the day brings good or bad, you'll still create memories. Everything that happens in your life has a lesson in it that can be used to become more successful. I read an article in a Nightingale Conant newsletter that said, enjoy every step of your journey. It's not the money, the cars, and the stuff we acquire along the journey that matter. It's the love, the friendships, the peace, and the memories we acquire that matter the most. By creating memories each day, you can welcome everything that comes your way. Even negative things can teach you something. It just takes looking at them in a positive light. Know that this is a new opportunity for you. Remember, you can have a happy life.